What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play Lollipop Chainsaw. I've actually never played the first game, but because they don't have it on Steam, but I've heard this is good. So
Party hard.
let's see. Boom, boom. It said it recommended to play the controller, but I think I'll be fine on keyboard. Yippee. I like how visually interesting this game is too.
Oh my
It
god!
looks very I think the graphics in the first game look better though, from what I've seen.
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
Yeah.
And on my birthday, too. Like I'm not already late enough. Gross. Stupid. Undead. Douchebag.
Okay, I'm not playing this game with an eye tracker. Oh my god, I feel like I should have played the first game first, but we'll see.
This is so irritating.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, hell yeah, let's get this. Okay, what does Q do? Okay. Oh wait, what? Oh shit, okay. Damn, she's strong. That's a strong kick, huh?
Jeez, it sucks when things explode.
Let's go.
I need to find Nick. How to cook zombies? Awesome!
Oh, okay.
Zombies do poop.
Okay. Oh shit!
It's a party! Cool!
This game is girly. It's so girly pop. The Chainsaw Murder game it's pretty girly pop. Okay. New brew. Okay. No, bro.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Oh fuck! They're fucking my shit up. Oh shit! What's the meta between using
Awesome.
melee attacks or the
I'm
chainsaw
still
attack?
alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa,
Okay.
zombies suck dick at driving.
Oh my god, these camera angles. Oh my god, Oh my god, I missed the door. Is there a way I can increase the sensitivity? Yeah. There we go. Oh shit. Why is there so many school buses crashing? That's like the fourth one, right?
Rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb! Don't be looking at my
Oh wait,
skirt.
what is it? Okay, I'm just getting used to all the attacks. What's going on? Hiya! Oh, okay. Oh, I thought my ass thought I was gonna kick the whole bus out of the way.
Don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Oh my god, this game is really girly pop on. Oh god, oh god! Oh god, I'm getting my shit fucked! What? Oh, what? Bullshit! This is bullshit! Fuck you! Okay, so like, I can stun him with a basic attack and then like chainsaw.
Great. See one more. I got it.
Why are they carrying just like Sonic tokens in their pocket? This party. Okay. Oh my god, another bus crash.
Watch out!
They're like, how do we further the plot in this game? Another bus crash.
Come on, get away from me!
Oh no, bro!
Hold on, I'm coming!
Oh my god, these zombie combos. Oh my god, these zombie combos are killing me. Wait. So I have a middle of slash that goes down. Oh, okay. Cut off their legs with that. What? Well, hello there.
My
Give me
favorite
Sonic
president
tokens.
is Warren G. Harding.
Yeah.
Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
A surviving classmate.
Well, we got
Oh,
these
shit.
but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Bro, it helps if you don't just stand still. Maybe if you, like, run away from them, like... What do I do now? What do I do now? What do I do now? Oh, okay. Oh shit, my game lagged it.
Stay away!
No! Oh, I thought there was a zombie. Okay, there's people.
Fuck off! Get away!
Okay. No! Oh shit! Oh shit, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh my god, I'm trying to get him to group up so I can like... What the fuck did I do?
Your goal.
Okay, I suppose that was good. Yeah. Oh god.
Alright!
Oh shit.
Stop it!
Oh, fuck. Is there anything behind here? No.
Speed is for suckers.
There we go. Hello.
Fantastic job, kid.
Yeah.
Glad you made it,
I do
pilot
that
dude.
shit.
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Oh shit.
Jesus, guy. Get off me, you bastard! No! Oh, shit! Tell my
Well, that guy didn't make it fucking far, did he?
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and his
Oh no! Fucking air. Fucking helicopter crash. Oh no! Oh no!
Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
I need more help.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Yeah.
God, I love
Okay.
shopping.
Skills to rest. What are the skills I can learn?
What should I get?
What's the best bang for my buck? Chainsaw chain. Okay, we got it. Let's just go for that one.
It!
Press. Okay. Interesting.
Well,
Wait, what was? Oh yeah, I guess I have the Vino zombies. Let's go. Probably should have got more help, but you know, whatever.
get out of my way! I'm in a hurry!
Bye. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! I cannot fucking see. Oh, I used my combo. Okay. What is this? Yay! Money!
The very best kind, too.
Okay. Yeah, we could have just dropped down normally. We had to do a little flip like that. We're built different. I wonder if there's any like secrets I can find. Oh, yeah, I assume there is, but oh shit! Wait. No, okay. I'm gonna try and find as many secrets as I can.
No need to come out!
Oh shit!
Fuck your father!
What? Wait, what? What was that? Wait, what? What? I'm gonna ignore that for now. Also, no. The answer is no. Oh shit. Fuck you. Also fuck you. I'm gonna need some help. Oh shit, what was... I need to play it safe. Oh shit! Immediately gets hit. Oh shit, I can't see him, I can't see him. Where'd you go? Okay. Alright, I assume I have to break a window or something. Oh no, you're alive! Fuck you. Okay, shouldn't there be like a bus crash or something to... Oh, okay, there we go. Oh shit, wait. Okay.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
Please
Hopefully,
move.
Joker.
I'm in a hurry.
Q to walk on the target.
Awesome.
Oh god, oh god. What?
Oops.
Oh shit, I
I
died.
did it again.
Oops, I did it again.
I did it again.
Oops, I did it again. Resets all my progress. Okay. Do I lose anything like the coins?
No! No!
Or am I straight up chilling?
Please move. I'm in a hurry.
Oh, it leaves me the same amount of health too, though. Lollipop. I just have a lollipop though. Wait, I can't use it. Okay, okay. No! Oh god. Come here, come here. Hey, come here. There we go, okay. That wasn't hard, but I locked in. Ain't no way Lil Blood had to lock in for that.
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
Okay. Got slightly harder.
Respect people's property.
I have the tiniest sliver of health for this. This is a no-hit fight. I instantly died.
Oh, whoops.
How does one do this fight with a sliver of health? No way of the kill y'all again.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
Okay, there we go. I finally figured out how to use the lollipop. Okay. Gotta do this fight again. Oh, fuck. Oh. These guys are not getting stunned. Oh my god, these guys will not stun. Oh god. Okay, okay. Oh shit. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. I just want to show you something. Oh shit. Fuck. He's fucking my shit up. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Don't. Oops. I did it again.
Hey, respect people's
Hey,
property.
Oh shit, these guys are hard to dodge. Okay, okay. What's the game plan? What's the game plan? Hey. Fuck you gonna do with this? Yeah, wait. Okay, okay. Alright, okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna run. Oh fuck. Oh fuck me. Oh god, do I use another health? I might as well, right? Might as well. Yeah, it takes me half. Oops, I...
Done and done.
Oh, shit! Oh god, I fucked them up! Are you glitching? Are you glitching? I don't understand what this guy's... Oh, okay. Oh, that's what you do. Yay. Still in the prologue, though. Oops.
Oh, Nick,
Oops, I
please
did
be
it
okay.
again. Oh yeah, we still haven't gotten to Nick yet.
Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Oops, I did it again.
Juliet!
Oh my god, Nick.
Ah!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ah!
He's just hungry, guys. What a man to eat. California roll. She's so
You
sad,
okay,
guys.
Yes,
Juliet?
Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Oh no, it can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet.
Yeah, what? Yeah, fuck you.
I
It's
don't
her
want to fuck up
birthday.
your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of, sort of, you know, love you.
Music, drugs, song, the sadness.
Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick.
Okay, well, that's the end of the game.
No,
Hope y'all enjoy. Oh.
there's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
I know I never played the first game, but I remember when it came out. It was insane. Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, C+. Ow, ouch. That hurt. Interesting, okay. Enter. Okay, so there's like different levels. That's how it's set up. High school. Stage 1. Interesting, interesting. Oops, I did it again.
Nick.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck!
Ooh,
Oh
awkward.
God! Where's my fucking body?
Okay,
Oh,
stop overreacting,
fuck.
dude.
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
No head?
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How?
He has a tie though. Hey, he's still dapper though, for real.
Head?
Well,
Still a
there's
voodoo,
some
for real.
stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What?
Just regular
Juliet?
voodoo stuff, honestly.
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
Oops,
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck! Huh?
Oops, I did it again.
Don't hate me!
Don't hate.
Ah!
Oh
come
god,
on!
immediately gets hit.
What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill
shit.
these guys.
I'm certainly not proving my case. I'm a zombie hunter. I'm getting fucking hit by everything. The dodge button is optional. No,
Another stupid zombie?
Dokily dokily. Oh.
Something exploded. What the hell was
Yup.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Hell yeah. That reminds me of the Rick and Morty episode where he's like, everyone says bitch. What was that? That wasn't an episode. That was a... Oh, that was Scary Terry. I'm Scary Terry, bitch.
Uh-oh.
Zambies. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, that's that power again. I used it. Okay, awesome. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck you. Oh, shit. Why did he do... Wait, why did he do that? Okay, do I get anything from destroying all this stuff? Give me something. Give me something. Oh, my God.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's
Okay, we're finally back to this other hall. Oops, I did it again. I'm gonna book it to the guy.
Leave me alone!
That guy.
Get away!
Oh shit, that was a sick kick though, for real though. I did it again. Just tank some damage just so I can protect him, I guess. Oh shit! Yeah, bro, don't help me or anything. Yeah, bro, I don't even care, actually. I don't even care. I don't even care. Why'd she just disappear? What? It was someone.
I fucked up my
Oh,
fast
okay.
pass.
There's
I
someone
need
in
that.
every classroom.
I've got shit running down my legs.
Oh.
Fear.
Oh, really? That's interesting. Good for you. I also have shit running down my legs from excitement.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Oh, shit.
He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Wait, let's pop a lollipop. Oh shit. Get up. Oh shit. Hello. Amy? Oh shit. Oh my god, dodge, please, please, please. Woo! There we go. Okay, there we go.
You're getting a C minus, bitch.
I don't want to see that. How did the zombie end up with dynamite on him?
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Yep, that's,
Why
yeah.
would somebody do that?
That's what it looks like.
Delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Stay back! Get off!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit!
Ah!
It's another fucking bus!
close.
It's another fucking bus!
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Bro, what? What are these bus drivers? The zombie apocalypse here is single-handedly caused by bus drivers.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick. We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just
Okay, yeah,
like
that makes
this.
sense.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
What?
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Okay.
There it is! There it is! Time to
Let's...
shop! What should I get?
Increases Julia strength. Allows you to perform down position more quickly. I have a
There
lot
it is!
of...
There it is! Check this out!
Interesting.
That's it! That's it! There it is! There it is! Check this
Sure,
out.
why not? Why not? What, so we got like a 40%, yeah, we got a 40% health upgrade. And I think we can still add a skill, right? Okay.
I found something!
Okay, right click 5 times. Or right now, right click 4 times, left click once. Okay. Interesting.
Well,
Oh my god. Oh god.
Awesome!
I love you, baby!
Okay.
Nick toss!
Damn, that bro's smiling from ear to ear. Okay, that's what that does. Oh, yeah, wait. Okay, I'll use my power some other time.
You're late, Juliet.
Okay.
Oh, great. Those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? I can open lockers? Oh shit!
Thanks a lot!
Wait, he's a zombie though.
What's the deal, dude?
Why are the zombies kind of smart?
Lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair!
Open the open the locker! Oh my god, I'm getting a lot of money from this. You can miss this really easily too. I think the shop's still available too. Alright, we'll kill this guy. Ooh. I'm not a little bitch. Actually, wait, you're almost dead. Yeah. Oops, I did it again. Oh, okay. Damn. So much money. Oh, and they fucking locked off the store. God damn it. Fuck you. Oh god.
No!
Oh shit.
Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode.
I hope y'all enjoyed, guys.
Come on.
I'm gonna cut it
How
off
was that
here.
fun?
I feel like this is kind of a little ending, right? We just got that mini boss, so. Alright, see y'all next time.